Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a mini cake container on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly from China to consumers and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will likely search for mini cake containers. Okay, so here I can see, so I will just search for these containers. So this will cost you about $5.48, but if you buy from Amazon it will cost you more and it's a bad price. So here we can see some details also. It comes with 50 and 30 pieces. Okay, so to buy this you will just select one of them. So here we can see, so with here see the detail also, it will look like good for a pastry cakes. Okay, so to buy you will just click on add to cart button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a mini cake container on TEMU for extremely cheap. I strongly suggest to download TEMU, downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.